Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make paneer at home. Start with 1 gallon of whole milk, preferably whole milk for the richest paneer. You'll also need a coagulant, such as 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar. Have a large pot, a fine mesh colander, and a clean cheesecloth ready. These simple ingredients and tools are all you need to begin your homemade paneer journey. It's surprisingly easy and incredibly rewarding to make your own fresh cheese. First, pour your 1 gallon of whole milk into a heavy-bottomed pot. Place it over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching at the bottom. Watch it carefully as it heats up. Once the milk reaches a full, rolling boil, immediately remove the pot from the heat. This crucial step prepares the milk for the next stage of curdling. Now, slowly add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen coagulant, like lemon juice or vinegar, to the hot milk. Stir very gently for about 30 seconds. You'll quickly see the milk begin to separate into solid white curds and a greenish-yellow liquid, which is the way. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for about 10 minutes to ensure complete separation. Place a colander over a large bowl and line it with a clean cheesecloth. Carefully pour the curdled milk into the cheesecloth-lined colander. Gather the edges of the cheesecloth, gently rinse the curds under cold water for about 30 seconds, then squeeze out excess whey. Place a heavy weight on top and press for 30 to 60 minutes to achieve firm paneer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.